Okay, we're outside here. Beautiful day. Working on the junction box. And we've just added the piping. The bottom pipe goes down, and that is already buried underground, goes all the way back past the house, all the way back to the cottage back there. And that's been buried for a few years actually. And this upper pipe, which comes over to this LB box, goes down, and that goes all the way over to the house, and that comes up underneath the house. As you can see, we cut the sod and laid it over so we can fill the around the pipe with the dirt that came out of there, and then put the sod with its roots back in, so that way it won't be a strip of dirt. And there's the pipe coming up underneath the house, and I got a sock over it right now to keep the dirt out. And this is the antennas, the wiring for the dish satellite TV dish network, and that's how that goes. We're going to put another pipe in from here all the way back, which will go back here, and as you can see, the dish farm in the background here. And the pipe we're going to finish digging this area out and come over to this piece of pipe here. We'll cut that fitting off and attach a new piece of pipe to it and run it to the house. That piece of pipe goes all the way out to by that telephone pole, goes out to my fence, and that'll be a pipe for security cables and for our security system on the property. So that's that. And here's some of my satellite dishes. We've got them at Galaxy 17, Galaxy 3, and Galaxy 19 right now. I don't know, I forgot where this one's aimed. But we'll be these are all just dishes that they only have temporary feeds on them. These are just the little $9 LMBs that I use just to fool around with right now. You'll see in the future we'll be switching over to LMBs that have 8 ports on them. Yes, that is 2 socks sticking out of the dirt. There's a 2-inch pipe and a 1.25-inch pipe. I got socks over them to keep the dirt out, coming up through the ground. And you can see the 2 pipes go all the way out to the dish farm. This is the other end of where the 1.25-inch pipes meet, and they'll be coming up out of the ground, going to a separate little box mounted there. And as you can see, there's a 2-inch pipe with the LB on the right that goes down in that same trench and goes to the house, and the other 2-inch pipe with the LB, the lower one there, that goes down in the ground and goes past the house in a separate trench that's been there for quite a while, and that goes down and goes to the cottage. It's sun is setting, and it's time to call it quits for the day. I'm going to put the tools away and put all the junk away and call it the end for today.